What's up guys, welcome to my channel Mac Infortainment. Today we are going to learn how to solve Rubik Cube in simple way. I have divided this procedure into 4 videos so that you can understand and practice it very easily. Don't skip or fast forward the video. Please watch completely. Please watch this video completely. Let's begin. To solve this cube easily, let me share you some formulas.
అయ్యో పౌస్ నేను అది పౌస్ అనుకున్నా.
R means rotating the cube right side clockwise. R that means rotating the cube right side anti-clockwise. L means rotating the cube left side clockwise. L that means rotating the cube left side anti-clockwise. U means rotating the cube upper face clockwise. U that means rotating the cube upper face anti-clockwise. D means rotating the cube lower face clockwise. D that means rotating the cube front to plate clockwise. F that means rotating the cube front plate anti-clockwise. B means rotating the cube back plate clockwise. B that means rotating the cube back plate anti-clockwise. Let me tell you 2 finger tip. One is right algorithm-meter and other one is left algorithm-meter. First is right. Right means R U ada juta. R U ada juta. R U ada juta. Another one is left algorithm-meter, which is L dash U dash L U. Practice these filters and formula so that
అయిపోయింది బాగానే వచ్చింది.
practice these formula so that you can solve the cube easily. As you see, I have crumbled the Rubik cube. So we will try to solve. First we will take yellow side. Now we need to keep all the white edges on the top. One is here. We will do like this. Another one is here like this. And other two are here. So 1 2 and 1 2. Now we need to match these both sides. So as you know, these both are matched, so we need to turn 2 times. Now this side, these both are unmatched, so we need to fix and we will turn like this. And last one here, red like this, and we will turn it. As you know, all white cross are each over. Now white corners. One is right here. It is red and blue, so it will come between the red colors and blue color. It is here. Now we will use right theorem, means right up, right dash and up dash. You saw that there is here is the white corners. Now next white corner. This is light between green color and orange color. So we need to keep in the green and orange, blue, white. Now we will use left theorem. So left up dash, left dash up. Now it came here. Next corner piece white. It is light between blue and red. Now left theorem, left up dash, left dash up. Another corner is here, so light between here. So R up, R dash up. Didn't came. Once again we will do R up, R dash up dash. Not a didn't came. We will do once again. Right up, right dash up dash. Now white corner is white is over. First layer is done.